So in this video we're going to talk about a new feature that we've got whereby you can edit the hair analysis reports. You'll basically be able to edit the hair analysis reports in any way that you want, but in this video we're going to show you the basics on how to set up the hair analysis report to be edited and how you can do basic things like edit the text, which means that you'll be able to also translate the text if you want to, reorder patterns, and delete patterns. So the first thing you want to do is log into the application, click on dashboard. Once you get to the dashboard page, click on open menu, and then down here you'll see edit reports. So if you click on that, and once you get into this page you'll see that you currently have no custom HTMA reports to edit, so fill out the form below to create one. So at the moment we've got the main HTMA report that can be completely edited by yourself. We will be adding others in the future, but obviously most people use the main hair analysis report. So click on this and then click submit. So once that's submitted, basically what the application will do is it'll duplicate the original hair analysis report so you can edit it. Now the report is quite large, so it's going to take a minute to load up the editing functionality. While we wait for that to load up, if we go to the dashboard, again open menu and edit reports, you'll now see two links. You'll notice that the form has disappeared, and here's the link for you to edit the report if you ever want to come back and edit it at a future time. And if you click on this link here, what that'll do is it'll open a page with all of your previous HTMA reports that you have added into the application, and you can view each report with your new edited version. Also, when you generate a report, so when you generate a report as normal and you go through the report generation system, what it'll do is once the report's generated, there'll be a link at the top of the report that you can click on that will allow you to view that report and as your edited version. So if you make any edits on the editing page, you'll be able to view the edits for any new hair analysis reports. So once this page is loaded, you're going to see this little button here saying single entry report loaded, click here to begin. If you click on that, what you'll see is a long list of all of the hair analysis patterns on the app. So most people are going to want to basically edit the text, delete patterns, rearrange patterns, etc. There is going to be other videos on the help page, which you can click here, which will begin to go into more advanced things you can do on the app. For example, you can add new patterns, you can change colours, you can add images, etc. And I will be doing a series on how to basically create reports in Canva, so you can create sort of full pages, let's say on a follow pattern, and I'll show you how you can import that into the application. But this video is basically just about the basics on how to edit text, rearrange patterns, etc. So rearranging patterns is fairly simple. All you got to do is, if you want, for example, basic burnout in a different area, all you got to do is click on it and drag it to where you want it to go. That's fairly simple. If you want to remove a pattern, so for example, let's see, anchor patterns are something that not many practitioners use. So this might be something that you're just not interested in adding onto your reports. So you can actually remove it just by clicking the X. Be a bit careful when you do this, because obviously when you remove a pattern, it's going to be gone completely from your reports. You can obviously add it again, and that'll be in a separate video. and I will make a video on how you could potentially just temporarily hide various patterns and then come back to it at a later time and basically show it again on the on your report. So in order to edit the text, all you got to do is click on the this cog icon, and that will open up. You will see a little bit of code in here. I won't worry about that too much. We will go into more advanced videos on you know, how you can utilize more advanced things on the application, but for now we're just going to talk about editing text, etc. So it's fairly simple. All you do is open up a pattern that you want to edit the text of, and then go ahead and edit the text. You do want to make sure that you leave in this little bit of code here. This is really simple code. It just means paragraph. So if you want to add a new paragraph, which most people want to do, all you got to do is type this in like that, and then you can add a new paragraph. So you can do this for all of the patterns. So if we go up to the introduction, for example, you will see a little bit more code. As you can see, this is the text for the initial hair analysis, and then this is the text for a retest analysis. You can figure it out basically just by reading it. So the best way to look at retest, you know that this is for the retest, but you can read this little bit of code here, which will help you figure out what it relates to. So it's pretty simple. It's just saying if this is a retest and it is yes, then it's going to show all of this text. So again, all you need to do is just highlight the text that you want to edit the text as you see fit. You can obviously delete sections as well, like this, and then obviously to add another paragraph, just type in this here, to left arrow P, right arrow, and this other code here will automatically show up. It's like this just closes off the paragraph, and then add extra text here. So if you go down, you can basically see what's going off. They've got the positive patterns here, and again, you can edit this. We will talk about code in some other videos, but it's pretty simple to wrap your head around. For example, this is a paragraph, and you see here we've got strong and strong. This basically means that this section here is going to be in bold. So if you go down, there's some other things, like we go into symptoms. So again, you know, basically if the symptoms list is ticked anemia, then this is going to show. So again, if you want to write anything with regards to anemia, then it's going to show there. Here we've got diabetes, diarrhea, etc., etc. So that's it really. It's pretty simple to edit text. If that's all you're wanting to do, then that's the way to do it. But if you do want more advanced ways of editing reports, then all you got to do is click the help page, and we'll deep dive into more advanced things that you can do. But for now, that's all you need to worry about if you're just focusing on, you know, rearranging patterns like this, deleting patterns if you want to delete patterns, and editing text. It's also important to note that if you want the report in a different language, then you simply just edit the text and write it in your own language. There are obviously languages that are written from right to left, for example Arabic, and I will do a video on that, on showing you how you can get the text going from right to left. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you do have any questions, then we are here to help. So you just have to email us contact@hairanalysis.report, or send us a WhatsApp message, and we'll help you design the reports however you would like. Alright, thanks for watching, and like I said to you before, if you are looking for more advanced features than just editing text and rearranging patterns, click on the help page and you're going to be shown a few videos on how to do more advanced things on the application. Also, when you've finished editing, when you finish deleting and rearranging and editing text, it's going to be really important to click the update button. This is obviously going to save all of these changes.